Okay, we're back here for the conclusion of the zinc ingot casting. You can see out of 31 pounds of zinc, we've got 24 pounds of small, incrementally sized ingots. And well, we've done it. We've shown you how to do it. And yeah, it takes a lot of wax. It's a lot slower. It was even more slower by pouring everything in smaller pieces like this. Anyway, we broke in some of our little molds here. Here, a number 1 frying pan. Here's the number 2. We didn't get that quite filled out. Here's the Johnny Cake mold. We, these cast iron cooking utensils are not used to higher temperatures, so I'm bringing up the temperatures slowly and gradually in order to season them. You know, like Caterpillar and John Deere, engine blocks and axle housings and transmission housings. They let them set for a year or so the cast iron will relieve. And anyway, that's what we're doing here with our cast iron here. As you can see, we've had one here that failed. We got a crack in it. But that doesn't matter. It's still a good mold. This is a Cracker Barrel mold. It's probably made by Lodge, as they nestle together good. Also, you'll see these here, how they're so ugly, and we had gas. We got gas bubbles in all 6 of these. This was the first pour on a brand new muffin tin. So, you know, quite naturally that would probably happen. You can see the bottom, but we're breaking this in also. These happened with the very first pour, and then with the second pour, you can see the bottoms. We still have some gas bubbles, but what the heck? You don't have to degas until you're building your project. You know, forget that degassing. You know, while you're doing your ingots. You know, until you get a project going, then you degas. Anyway, it's taken us about 3.5 hours to produce 24 pounds out of 31 pounds of zinc. And it can be done. And we like them small. And I suggest that you would start with that also. You know, what are you going to do with a great big muffin? You know, that thick. You know, it's going to, especially of zinc, which takes a lot longer to melt with propane. Now, we've shown you that you can do this with propane on a little burner. It can be done. But if I had to do it all over again, I would fire up a foundry furnace and get everything over with. But we had to show you just what you can do with a little kitchen top type propane burner. Anyway, we got that all done, got that behind us, you know, and we're going to tomorrow. We're going to go into this die cast. We got 9 pounds of it, and we're going to melt that down and see what we get out of that. Still waiting on our foundry to get that back on its feet. So we're making good use of our time. That'll be it for the day, and we thank you for watching, and we hope you're getting something out of this. That's what that's why we're doing this. So we'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.